Hello,
Everybody.
teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning,
Hello.
All right. So while waiting for the others, we're going to play a game first about Pictogramme. Okay. Let's try this game. This may help you have some introduction about our lesson. So what you're going to do is to look at the pictures. You're going to answer the question. How many books does Nancy have? Okay. So where is Nancy and how many books does she have? We're going to look at the label or the legend here. It says that each picture of a book, each picture of book means one book. So that means when you see one book, that counts to one. When you see one picture of a book, that means one book. Okay. But later on, you can see that one object shows more than one. Okay? We're going to encounter that later. Good morning, everybody. For those who just entered the room, we're going to play a game first. So, for the question, how many books does Nancy have? A7, B5, C8, or D9? D15?
B5.
B5, very good.
Yes.
Right, very good. Next, how many books does Natasha have? How many books does Natasha have? Natasha.
2.
Hmm? Again. Somebody said 10. That's correct. 10. Okay, how many more books does Nathan have than Amanda? How many more books does Nathan have than Amanda?
Number 2. C.
Nope. You're going to use subtraction there. Subtraction. So 4 minus 3 equals?
1.
1. Very good. Okay, next. How many more books does Natasha have than Brandon? Natasha. Okay, so that's going to be subtraction also. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 equals?
3.
3. Good job.
3.
Okay, next. Who has 3 more books than Nathan? Who has 3 more books than Nathan? 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 equals?
7.
7. Who has 7 books? Who has 7 books? Nancy, Amanda, Natasha, Nathan, or Brandon?
Ben.
Brandon. Okay.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Ava.
Good morning.
Okay, let's try the easier example. Okay, let's try this. You're going to tell me left or right, okay? How many apples did you catch? How many apples?
5.
5. Very good. Okay, you tell me left or right, okay? Say left or right. How many pears did you catch?
5.
5. You did it. Next, let's catch oranges. Oh. How many oranges did you catch?
5.
How many lemons did you catch?
4. Lemon.
Let's catch limes.
Hello.
Oh boy. How many limes did you catch?
4.
4.
Teacher. Teacher. 3.
How many?
3.
You tell me left or right. Left or right, okay?
Okay.
If you don't say anything, I'm not moving.
Good morning, teacher.
1. You didn't say left or right.
No. 1.
Ah, two. Now let's catch kiwis.
One.
Two. Now let's catch star fruit.
Two. Three, four.
Congratulations. Okay, let's try to catch some fish.
Yay!
What color do you want to catch?
Blue.
Blue? Ah, we hit a jellyfish. And then yellow, it's gone. Red. Next. Lower. You say lower or higher? For example, lower. And then again. You say lower or higher? Lower. Green, this one? And then blue. That's danger blue. Red. Yay! How many green fish did you catch? How many green fish did you catch? Green, 3. That's correct. Okay, now this time, we're moving on with our main class. Okay, so I want you to open your book to page 170. We're going to talk about pictogram, but before that, we're going to finish first our written activities from the previous lesson. So I want you to open your book to 170. I thought I was sharing this. 170.
Finish.
Okay. Are you ready?
Right?
What? Mathematics.
ภาษาอังกฤษเล่มเขียว
Yeah.
เกลียวนั่นแหละภาษานั่นแหละภาษานั่นแหละภาษาสีเขียวอันนั้นแหละนี่เหรอแล้วดูฟันเราก่อนดิเพิ่งไปถอนเมื่อวานโอ้โหอันนี้
Okay, are you ready to learn?
Ready.
Okay, so let's begin. We're going to read carefully and answer the questions. So we're going to have here a short story or short problem, and we're going to answer the questions about it. Okay, let's begin. Joey's mom always picks ivy gourd leaves from his house's fences and hedges. She makes Joey's favorite ivy gourd leaf soup with minced chicken. Joey told his mom that he wanted to grow some other vegetables. So his mom gave him 10 baht to buy some seeds. Joey bought some lettuce and kale seeds and gave his mom 2 baht change. Joey and his mom planted vegetables together. Mom cooked some of them and let Joey sell the rest. He sold the vegetables for 15 baht. Mom told him to save the money to buy more seeds. His vegetables are well known by his neighbors because he did not use any chemicals on his plants. Joey was very happy and he is eager to grow more vegetables. Okay, for the first question, Joey spent how much on the seeds? So, do you still remember her mom gave him 10 baht and then he returned the 2 baht. Therefore, how much are the seeds? 8 So therefore, Joey spent 8 baht on the seeds. Number 2, how much more or how much less money did Joey make selling vegetables than buying the seeds? Okay, so he made 15. That's the price of the vegetables when he sold it. But the seed is only 8 baht. So therefore, how much more did he earn? How much more did he? 7 baht. Okay, 7 baht. He made 7 baht more. Okay, next, number 3. Did Joey behave with sufficient economy? Okay, so we have here a sample answer. A, no, because he lost his money. Or B, yes, he did. He grew vegetables for his family so that they had good food, good vegetables to eat, and he sold the rest and saved up the money. So what do you think? Is it good? Did Joey do something good? A, no, or B, yes? Yes. Yes, he did. So if your answer is yes, please write not the letter, but the answer is letter B. B.
Finish.
Okay, let's wait for your friends.
No finish. Finish. ก็เข็บหน้าจอไว้สิเราเข็บหน้าจอไว้แล้วมันว่าเราเยอะเราไม่อยากเมื่อกี้เรายังไม่ได้แคปหน้าจอแต่เราไม่รู้ว่าเราไปเผลอเดินปุ่มไหนแล้วมันก็เผลอแคปหน้าจอไปเลย2 ภาพแล้วมันแคปไม่ได้แล้วเราแคปไปแล้วแต่ว่าเราจะเขียนต่อเราก็เขียนต่อด้วยแล้วก็แคปไปแล้วแต่เราก็เขียนต่อเราภาพเต็มยังไม่รู้ว่าสิว่าใครมากดวางสายเรานี่อยู่ใกล้ๆมั้งFinish อย่าเพิ่งโทรมา
Is everybody finished?
No finish No Finish ได้เธออยากเต้นอยู่นะเดี๋ยวฉันไม่เป็นเพื่อนกับเธอเลยจะเป็นแค่เอวานะฉันบอกให้ฮะ Finish Netflix Netflix หยุด Netflix ยาวกว่าจะติดลำคาญFinish Netflixเราก็แคปหน้าจอไปแล้วก็ได้ Finish Netflixแต่ข้อ2กับข้อ3ไม่ทันข้อ2เหรอก็บอกคุณครูเลย Finish Netflix เราแคปหน้าจอไปแล้วแต่เทควันโดเป็นแบบนี้เหรอไม่ใช่ ไม่ใช่ ไม่ใช่
Finish?
no finish Netflix finish Netflix
Not next. Not Netflix. Next, please.
finish teacher finish
Okay, is everybody finished now?
no finish yes no finish
Okay, let's wait for
finish
That's- teacher finish. Next, please. Not Netflix.
finish
Okay, let's go to the next number. Number 4. What would happen if Joey continued to grow vegetables? A. He would have good vegetables to eat. He could also sell the rest, save up money, and help his family. Or B. He would invade the world.
Như đọc có ý thế mà
Yes, very good. It's letter A.
ต้องตอบข้อ A หรือข้อ B อ่ะที่เจอ
ตอบข้อ A เจ้าคุณ
ข้อ A ยาวมากเลย
It's okay.
ที่เจอแคปให้หน่อยถ้าโทรไม่ดีกว่าน่าจะไม่ทันแคปหน้าจอให้หน่อยที่เจอแคปไม่ได้เดี๋ยวเราแคปส่งมาให้หน่อยNetflix
Next, please. Next, please. Jokun, say next. Jokun, say next.
finish no finish เจ้าคุณที่เธอบอกว่าห้ามพูด Netflix แล้ว Netflix finish Netflix
Is everybody finished? Not yet.
no finish Netflix yes แคปให้หน่อยแคปแล้วก็ส่งมาให้หน่อยแคปไม่ได้โอเคเดี๋ยวเราแบบfinish
Is everybody finished?
and finish no
Okay.
yes finish I see you ที่มันไม่ใช่ตอนกลางคืนนะโปรดยังเล่นคุณยายเกนนี่อยู่อีกเหรอเราไม่เล่นแล้วนะได้ไปบอกแล้วป้ากลัวไม่มีจริงอ่ะกลัวไหมเราไม่ได้กลัวแต่เราไม่เล่นแล้ว
Everybody finished?
เราไม่ได้กลัวน้องเคยเล่นเกมยายเกนนี่น้องกลัวเลยลบมันนี่เบื่อแล้วเราก็เลยไม่เล่นเดี๋ยวให้ที่เจ้า
Okay, kids, your classmates are not yet finished. Stop talking.
ที่ชอบฟินแล้วเอาด้วยกันไหม finish no finish เลยที่พี่หาว่าหาสมุนหรือไปอะระวังคันดีเอาแคปหน้าจอเลยแต่เรายังไม่เสร็จแล้วก็จะทำต่อเดี๋ยวเราถ่ายตรงข้างหน้าแล้วแบบนี่เสร็จแล้ว
Is everybody finished? Ava finished?
no
Okay.
finish ที่เจอทำไมถึงที่เชื่อไม่ไปข้ออื่นนะ
Finish? Okay. Everybody finished? Okay, let's go to the next board.
ไปที่เชื่อไปเลยไม่ต้องรอ
Wait.
ไม่แคปก็ไม่ต้องรอ finish ไม่
Okay, let's go to pictogram. Pictogram is representing numbers with icons or pictures. A pictogram, A pictogram is a chart that uses pictures or icons to represent data. Page 171. 171. Okay, a pictogram is a chart that uses pictures or icons to represent data. The same type of pictures or icons is used to represent number of objects. The data can be presented horizontally or vertically. A key or a legend is used to identify the number of categories presented in a chart. For example, one icon may represent one object, two objects, or five objects. Okay, for example, you can see one ball. That's not just actually one ball, but it represents five balls, for example, or five players. We're going to learn more about it as we move on with this topic. This is an example of a pictogram. A survey is done to 20 students in the class to find their favorite flower colors. And the results are represented or presented in the table as follows. So we have here the colors of red, yellow, blue, purple, and white. And here are the number of students that love those colors. 4 of them loves red, 1 loves yellow, blue loves 3 love blue, 5 love purple, and 7 love white. Okay, so here are the data. Okay, I'm going to ask first to see if you understand the data. Okay, how many students loves yellow? How many students love yellow? One. Very good. How many students love red? Four. Very good. How many students love blue?
Three.
How many students love purple?
Five.
No. How many students love white? Seven. Okay. Now that you understand the data, we can make a pictogram out of it. Okay. For example, one picture of a student represents one student. Okay. But remember, we don't just limit one student or one number to one picture or one icon. It can be 2, 5, 10. Okay. So here we have, according to the pictogram, how many students love yellow? One, very good. How many students love blue? Three. How many students love red? Four. How many students love purple?
Five.
Good job. How many students love white? Seven. Okay. Good job. Okay, so therefore, white is the most favorite color of the flowers, as it was chosen by how many students love white? Do you still remember? How many students love white? Seven. Okay. And the second most favorite color of the flower is purple. Because how many chose purple? Five. Okay. 4 students prefer red, 3 students prefer blue, and yellow is the least favorite flower color, chosen by only 1 student. So the number of students that prefer white flower is greater than the number of students that prefer purple flower by how many? 7 minus 5 equals? 2. Because there are 7 students that love white, and then 5 students love purple flowers. Okay. And then the number of students that prefer yellow flowers is smaller than the number of students that prefer red flowers. The red flowers, 4 students, and the yellow flower, 1. So therefore, how many students are there difference? 3. Very good. Okay. So now we're going to try to answer a pictogram. Okay. In page 173, read the pictogram and answer the question. So this is the pictogram. Each picture of a student represents one student. Okay? One picture of a student represents one student. You can see it in page 173.
Thank you.
173.
173.
You're welcome.
ที่เชื่อหน้านี้ต้องเขียนอะไรไหม Yes ต้องเขียนอะไรไหม Yes
Yes.
Okay
After this slide. Ready?
Ready. Ready.
Okay, let's go. Okay, here is the same pictogram. Okay, I just changed the position. So the first question, this pictogram shows A, the number of students absent each day in a week, or B, okay, you can see the answer in this question at the title part. Okay, so the title here, number of students absent each day in a week. So you can see A, number of students absent each day in a week, or B, number of students present each day of the week.
A.
A, very good. So you're going to write the letter A. The answer in letter A.
ตอบ A หรือ B อ่ะพี่เชอร์ตอบ A yes อันโน
Yes.
ฉันรู้ไหมอ่ะพี่เชอร์ฟรีเนี่ยนะคะครูย่านาบอกว่าครูที่สอนภาษาอังกฤษน้องอปออิงลืมปิดไมค์ไหม Finish teacher finish
Everybody finish?
No finish
Okay, not yet finished.
No finish No finish พูดพร้อมกันเลยนะวีด้า Finish ไม่ใช่ finish No finish cereal ฮะ Finish No finish No finish Ewa no finish
Not yet finished. Can you say it? Not yet finished.
No finish No finish No finish Not yet finish No finish เดี๋ยวเราแคปไว้ก่อนแคปด้วยคุณแคปแล้ว No finish Teacher finish Teacher finish
Is everybody finished?
No finish Yes finish Yes 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 No finish No finish Finish teacher Teacher finish Finish ลิงพาศึกษามาแล้วที่
If you finish,
No finish ภาษา finish ภาษา finish finish ที่เชื่อภาพค่าการศึกษามาแล้ว No finish อีก2 นาที finish ค่าการศึกษามาแล้วที่เชื่อเร็วๆที่เชื่อ
take a picture. Kakapon, take a picture of this page.
แต่ว่า finish
Okay, for your homework, please answer pages. Page 170. Today we learned pictogram and we did some written activities about our previous lessons. I hope that you learned something from these lessons today. I also hope that you enjoyed this lesson. Bye.
นี่แค่170 yes อันเดียว yes อันเนอร์ Goodbye see you again Goodbye teacher see you again Bye bye I love you Goodbye teacher Oh What did you do? Goodbye